Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for being here with me and supporting my channel. If you are new, please click the subscribe button, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Okay, on today's video I am going to talk about the insert for my Louis Vuitton Odeon Tote. So as I mentioned before in my previous video, I feel like the shape of this bag is a bit funny. So if you are if you have like not so much things, it will look like this. It looks disoriented. So I'm thinking of an organizer to help the shape of the bag. So this is what I got. So MB.Bag Organizer sent me an insert. Oops, this is so big. Let me open it. She sent me an insert for this bag. Sorry, so she sent me two type of insert, and I will see which one actually fits better. So she sent me the one that that is 21 times 10 and a half and 11 centimeter. So this one, the shape is like this, and there's another one. So there are two inserts, and I'm going to see which one fits better. This is what the insert looks like. It has two pockets here, and it has one big pocket here, and that's it. It has her logo there, and this is the smaller one. Okay, for the smaller one, they have like a little pocket on the side here for maybe your makeup or stuff, and they have it has one big pocket here and also a zip pocket. This is a nice feature if you want to have, like, I don't know, maybe toothpicks or hair tie or something that you might usually lose in your bag. It is very handy to have this zipper. Let me try on with the smaller one first. Okay, so this is how the bag looks like. It's just with a black lining and one pocket. This is very hard to see, but it does have a big pocket here and two pocket on the other side. Just standard, like almost all Louis Vuitton bag have this kind of pocket. And I specifically wanted to have a beige or light color insert because I feel like it is too dark to look at like a black insert. So this is the color that I choose, actually, the beige. So I will try the 21 centimeter first, the smaller one first. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It looks good. It actually looks, see, maybe it is just the shape of the bag after with the insert. I think it is better. Just when you push it, it is better with the insert. This is how it looks like. Let me try on the bigger insert. So this is the 22 centimeter that only has one pocket and two pockets on the other side. Let me try this one. Okay, so the 22 centimeter also fit. It looks good, I think. So this is it with the bigger insert. So it doesn't matter whether you choose the 21 centimeter or the 22 centimeter. And with MB.Bag Organizer, you actually can request whether you want the 2 pocket and 1 big pocket, or if you want to have the 1 pocket and 1 zipper compartment here and 2 little things. So it is very easy to customize. If you have like a request, you can just DM her and she can make it for you. So now, because we have the insert, I will show you what's in my bag. Okay, first I'm gonna put in my Sarah wallet. Just nice in there, still a lot of space. And this is my mini pochette with my just makeup, my powder and my lipstick. And also I have little Hermes perfume. So usually I do have toothpicks and hair tie, but at the moment it's not there. So this is the mini pochette. It looks nice, still have a lot of space. And I'm using my phone, so this is my phone cover. Still a lot of room. And I have my hand sanitizer, and I usually bring just a tiny baby wipes. So this is how my bag looks like. Of course, with the organizer, you still can put in like pen, or you can put in something. If you have like bills or cards or stuff like that, you still can do that because there's still room in there. But look at that, I like it with the organizer. It is like it holds the shape more, even though I must tell you, this pleat, you can't do anything about it because there's like air in here, so there's nothing I can do about it. However, the shape of the bag will stay nice and firm because of the organizer. So in my opinion, I really like bag organizer for my bags, so that it can hold the shape very well. Okay, thank you so much MB.Bag Organizer for sending me the insert for my bag, and thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.